Today we're exploring 7 natural ingredients your skin will love, and 3 that might be doing more harm than good. I'll share how to use each ingredient, quick DIY recipes, and science-backed facts so you can decide what really deserves a place in your skincare routine. Grab a notebook or screenshot the tips, let's get glowing. Before we jump in, a quick note. Natural doesn't automatically mean safe or effective. Your skin's pH and barrier are delicate, so patch testing is essential. Think of these ingredients as supporting your routine, not replacing sunscreen or a good cleanser. Number 1. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is a hydration powerhouse. Its gel is about 98% water and rich in polysaccharides that calm redness and help tiny blemishes heal faster. DIY idea: blend fresh gel with a few drops of jojoba oil and keep it chilled for a cool, soothing after sun mask. Use a silicone brush for even application, less mess. Number 2. Green tea. Green tea is loaded with catechins, antioxidants that protect against UV damage and reduce inflammation. Try steeping 2 bags, cooling the tea, and storing it in a mist bottle. A spritz midday refreshes skin and helps reduce oil without stripping moisture. Bonus: chilled tea bags double as depuffing eye compresses. Number 3. Honey. Raw honey is a natural humectant. It attracts water to your skin, while its gentle enzymes smooth texture. Quick mask: spread a thin layer on damp skin, leave for 15 minutes, rinse with lukewarm water. You'll notice softer, more radiant skin instantly. Fun fact: honey's low pH also discourages acne-causing bacteria. Number 4. Oats contain beta-glucan, which soothes irritation and helps repair the skin barrier. Mix 2 tablespoons of finely ground oats with warm water or milk to form a paste. Apply as a gentle scrub or leave on for 10 minutes as a calming mask, perfect for sensitive or eczema-prone skin. Number 5. Turmeric. Turmeric is rich in curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory compound. A tiny pinch mixed with yogurt creates a brightening mask that can even skin tone. Pro tip: add a drop of oil like jojoba to reduce staining, and rinse thoroughly. Always use a small amount, too much can leave a yellow tint. Number 6. Jojoba oil. Jojoba oil closely matches our skin's natural sebum, which makes it excellent for balancing oil production. Massage 2 drops into damp skin after cleansing, or blend it into your moisturizer for extra hydration. It's non-comedogenic, so it won't clog pores when used sparingly. Number 7. Rose water. Rose water hydrates and refreshes while its subtle antioxidants help reduce redness. Use it as a toner or set your makeup with a fine mist. If possible, choose alcohol-free versions to avoid dryness. Not everything natural is skin-friendly. 3 common ones to rethink. 1. Lemon juice. Its strong acidity can cause irritation and increase sun sensitivity. 2. Baking soda. Alkaline and abrasive, it disrupts your skin's natural pH, leading to micro tears. 3. Undiluted apple cider vinegar. Its acidity can burn skin unless heavily diluted. Here's a simple routine. Cleanse, mist rose water, apply a honey oat mask twice a week, then seal with a drop of jojoba oil. Remember, patch test every new ingredient and always wear sunscreen. Nature's tips work best with protection. Those are your 7 natural skin-loving ingredients and 3 to avoid. Comment below which one you're excited to try, and share your favorite natural skincare hack. Hit like if you found this helpful and subscribe for more science-backed skincare every week. Until next time, stay radiant and kind to your skin.